So here's Brenda from Old Millbrook School Early on Shaolin Family Center. And I have Junior and Derek with me and Bella as well. So this morning we want to take you guys for a walk. So we're gonna go for a walk in the woods and you guys can come along with us. Now, can you guys come all the way here where we are, Junior? Can they come all the way here?
No.
No, but what can we do?
You can imagine that they're here.
You guys can pretend that you're here and that you guys are joining us on our walk. So when we are walking, you guys can pretend that you're walking. Can you show us how can we pretend that we're walking? Pretend that we're walking. And guess what? You guys get to sing with us too and have fun. So let's go. Did you pause? Hiking we will go. Hiking we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Hiking we will go. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Hiking we will go.
Go.
So friends, when we're going on a hike, we have to make sure all of our senses are awake and that we use our eyes and look around and see what we can find, and our ears so we can hear, and our smell to see if we smell something different. So we're going for a walk here, and oh, I spot something. What's that?
It's a burrow.
Oh, yeah, it's a hole on the ground. It can be a burrow, you think, Derek?
Yeah.
And what's a burrow?
A burrow is a home for a bunny, a squirrel, or a rabbit, or a chipmunk.
Oh, I wonder what lives in this hole, guys. What do you think it lives here? You think it's a squirrel, a bunny, or a chipmunk? And that reminds me of a little poem you guys know that we always used to say. So, can you guys put your palms together like this and form a little nest? Okay, so, and you can say it with us as we go along, okay? Here is a nest for the robin, and this is a hive for the bee. Here is a hole for the bunny, and this is a house for me. And we do it again. Put your hands together. Here is a nest for the robin, and here is a hive for the bee. Here is a hole for the bunny, and this is a house for me. Oh, that actually just reminded me of a very cool one that you guys like to do at Music and Movement. But remember, you guys can crunch down together with us. Crunch down. And then we're gonna do the squirrel in the burrow, okay? And remember, we're gonna jump up high when it comes out of the burrow, okay? Ready? The squirrel in the burrow, sit so still. Won't you come out, squirrel? Yes, I will! That is always fun, isn't it? Let's continue with our walk. How about we will go?
Go.
Hiking we will go. Hiking we will go.
Go.
Oh, look at that. Bella's already in the water. So we got to our little spring here, and Bella loves to get in the water, as you can see. Oh, if we listen carefully, we can hear the water running. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Let's pretend that we're going in a little boat. Ready? Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like a sort of dream. Okay, guys, now everybody join us. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like a sort of dream.
Hey, go. Hey.
Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, let's continue with our walk, guys. Follow us. Hiking we will go. Hiking we will go. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Hiking we will go. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. Hi-ho the dairy-o. Hiking we will go. Hey friends, so we made it to the pond here. And to today is very quiet. Sometimes when we come here to the pond, we can hear a whole lot of noise. And it kind of sounds a lot like a choir singing. And you know what it is? Those are frogs that are singing. There are lots and lots of frogs in this pond. And sometimes in the afternoon, we can hear them. And that reminds me of the little song. The little song of the 5 little speckled frogs. Today we're going to sing from 3 little speckled frogs, okay? Are we ready? You ready? Let's pretend that we have a log right here. And our 3 little speckled frogs, ready? 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are only 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now we have only, we had 3, then 2. Now what's next? One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now we have no more speckled frogs. They're all nice cooling down in the pond. Whoa, and Bella's cooling down as well. Look at that. Well, thank you very much, guys, for joining us in our walk. We're gonna get ready to go home soon, but we'll see you next time. Stay safe, everyone, and we miss you very much. Take care. Bye now.